Best dahon folding bike. We review top 5 best dahon folding bike. Schwinn 20-inch loop folding bike. It's all well and good getting up the hill, but you need to know that you can come down the other side with confidence and without worrying about losing control. That's why you need a bike with a great braking system. This Schwinn model uses a linear pull brake system, which is a reliable method that's been used on bikes for decades. Columba 26 inches with Shimano at 10 speed. Most foldable bikes have at best 6 or 7 gears to shift through dash. That's okay for an urban environment. But it doesn't make for a versatile bike that's ready to tackle off-road trails. This Columba model has a Shimano at 10 speed shifter and derailleur that lets Retrospec bicycles spec. There are a couple of reasons why this Retrospec bike is one of the lightest in the folding bike category. As we've already indicated above, it's a single-speed bike with no gears or extra moving parts, which will obviously make the bike a lot lighter than bikes that have all those complicated gears. Of all the folding bikes we've reviewed, none can be folded in a shorter period of time than this one. This bike can actually be folded in about 10 seconds. EuroMini ZiZZO Liberte. If you're a bit taller, EuroMini ZiZZO Liberte might work wonders. This folding bike model can accommodate a rider height between 4'8" and 6'3". The EuroMini ZiZZO Liberte folding bike also features a genuine Shimano Revo 8-speed grip-style shifter, Retrospec Speck single speed. Perhaps the Retrospec Speck single speed folding bike might be your ideal choice if your intended budget is under $399. It weighs 23.5 pounds and caters to a maximum load weight of 250 pounds. In terms of folding mechanism, the Retrospec Speck single-speed folding bike delivers